Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Ghibli photo. Start by scouting a calm location with soft light and simple shapes. Aim for warm tones and gentle backlight. Frame your scene with a clear foreground, middle ground, and background so depth reads on camera. Keep compositions uncluttered and focus on mood rather than perfect detail. Use natural haze or a light diffuser to mimic cinematic atmosphere and soft shadows. Capture multiple exposures when lighting changes and bracket shots for safety. This helps you retain highlight and shadow detail. Use a tripod for low light or subtle motion blur and pick a focal point that draws the eye. Slightly underexpose by a third stop to preserve highlights and bring warmth later. Remember, small movements like swaying branches add story and a natural cinematic rhythm to your final image. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support more easy tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep props and snacks tidy during shoots, perfect for long days outdoors. They stack neatly and seal tight so you never worry about spills on gear. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start editing by adjusting exposure, contrast, and white balance to set the overall mood, keeping edits subtle and organic. Apply color grading to enhance warm highlights and cool shadows for that classic Ghibli palette. Use local adjustments to brighten faces and darken edges for focus, then add a soft glow and light grain for texture. Export at high quality and review on multiple devices to ensure consistency and charm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.